Gold and silver gave a strong bullish move, and yes, this was the alert which I have given you in my both the updates yesterday, that metals are looking for a breakout and we may see a stronger run once gold breaches past 3250 and then 3280 level. Likewise with silver, it has moved towards the next resistance at 3320. I hope you all profited, and this is the beauty of technical analysis. And see, I give you the reasoning behind each and every level and each and every move as well, and I do share twice a day. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment, friends. Your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation for me to deliver consistently to the best of my abilities. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. When you see gold on the hourly chart, see this was the retracement. It has formed a base, and see what a good run it has shown, and everything we have explained in our update. Now see what is happening. Notice rise, sideways movement, rise, sideways movement. It is still staying bullish. See, it has to now breach 3280, 3270 zone in order to confirm a reversal, and then the previous resistance now becomes the support, that is 3250 level. That is also going to play a very important role if at all gold decides to erase the gains from yesterday. And for this to happen, right now it is trading at 3306. Yes, if you see it is staying below 3290, you can take a sell. Expect it to move towards 328078. First target zone 3270, the next, and below that it might try to move towards 3265 and 3250 level. But before jumping on to the levels, now look at the formation. See, first of all, it is consolidating here. It is trying to give a breakout here. So first swing candle, then couple of bullish candle, but largely one bearish candle. Possibly it may give you third bullish candle as well, and then follow up with a drop here. This possibility exists strong here. It is trying to trade with divergence from 20 period, then a possibility of a move towards 20 period is very high. If you look at the stochastic, this is drop. The MACD is trading with divergence. It has tried to converge but not yet crossing over for a sell. The RSI is staying overbought here. Signs are mixed. It is having room for both an up move and definitely a down move is there. Now look at the 2-hour. On the 2-hour charts, see higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Where are the lows for this? Towards 3290. Also preceding candle, a doji candle here. It was an indecision where prices or traders are yet to decide the direction it wants to take. What has happened with the follow-up candle? The current candle, it is trying to take it high, but I will say wait for it to stay above 32.15, the preceding highs, and then what will happen? It may try to breach the or fill the gap towards 33.25. That is the level which is going to remain critical, and then 33.32. These levels are going to remain critical for the movement in gold today. Else what will happen? See, preceding candle, a swing candle, current candle can also reverse now, and if it reverses, that will be the beginning of the bearish move here. This is something you should keep a note of. Moving averages have crossed over. Trading with divergence is staying bullish. Stochastic extremely overbought. The MACD trading with divergence, and MACD is staying bullish here, and it has lot much of room on the upside available. RSI is overbought. Coming to 3-hour, similar is the observation on the 3-hour chart. See, diminishing bullishness with every candle, reversal sign, then a swing here. But for this to confirm a reversal, the current candle must close below 3290, 3295 zone. It has to trade below these levels in order to confirm further bearishness. And then what will happen? Then you can see forthcoming candles might take prices all the way towards 3280 and 3270 levels. But right now it is not showing any such sign. Higher lows are seen, so possibly higher highs. It can scale towards 3320 levels here. Stochastic overbought. The MACD is trading with divergence, is staying bullish. The RSI is just entering into overbought zone. Coming to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, clearly it is creating steps with higher highs and higher lows. Current candle starting on a flat note suggests that it may give you another bullish move here, and thus once gold trades beyond 33.15 and 33.20 levels, stay bullish. Possibly this might take it towards 32 zone. Possibly filling the gap is one thing, that is staying at 33.25, and the next is 33.32. These are going to remain the key levels for the day, because beyond this it may try to show you another jump here on the upside. The stochastic on the 4-hour charts is staying overbought. The MACD is trading divergent bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is rising here. Coming to the daily chart. Now, before we jump onto the daily chart, see how beautifully in just 5 minutes we have analyzed the charts, we have arrived at the levels, we have understood the behavior of the markets here. And now, this is also for you to have this understanding of the markets, and thus it is very, very important to invest in your learning. Join my 33rd mentorship batch starting 2nd of June. Yes, we teach all the tools and strategies which can help you identify the profitable trades with ease and increase your winning ratio. Thus, join the batch today. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you are, see, once you have trades in place, you can also be part of my signals channel. Yes, trading as per the signals, you can definitely benefit. Yesterday, what a wonderful move we have gifted. Again, we bought all the way from 32.0608 levels and continued on the upside with the targets towards 3300. Beautiful move here. You can also be part of my signals channel. Connect with me, write an email or ping me or Telegram for your queries. And once you have all the trades in place, it is also important to have a safer place where you can execute these trades at a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges. Find the trusted partner link in the channel and video description. Yes, it offers you a peace. That is the most important thing besides everything else. Join it today. Now, coming to the daily charts. What's happening on the daily charts? I have mentioned clearly. See, this is a squeeze here between 20 and 50. Red, green, red, green. One smaller green, one swing. The current candle might stay in green and this might give you a breakout. Beautiful breakout move is seen, and see triple bottom it has formed, one bullish candle today. Possibly this might stay bullish. If not a complete move, complete bull, it could be a swing as well. Yes, we may see swing where the current candle, because see already we have seen a good bullish move. It can try to deliver swing here and close the day somewhere here at around 3300 before taking off tomorrow. This possibility exists strong. Else, once it trades beyond 3315, you can expect 3325, which is a gap filling move, and then 3332, which is quite likely possible. If it starts to trade upwards, trades above 3315, you can expect bullishness to prevail. Now notice what's happening in gold. See, this is forming a nice flag, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now this suggests that it is heading towards the top here. Now heading towards the top means it has the potential to move towards 3350, 3370 zone very, very soon, if not today. And remember, that's a nice flag formation breaking out, beyond which 3400 is a must. However, when you ask me about the long term, that is the monthly and monthly forecast, monthly levels, I will still say I do not expect it to break beyond 3400. But yes, these are markets. If it breaches this flag, certainly the bulls will be taking over, and then you can expect a stronger ride here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge. Remember, it has dropped sharp. It is now trying to converge. A crossover here can lead to a long-term bull here, which can in fact take it towards 3400 and 3500 levels. RSI comfortably placed. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels in here. And yes, I will now recommend you to buy only if you see it is staying up. 3312 levels, buy here. Expect 3318, 3325, 3332. Three resistances on the upside. If it trades above 3332, I see it moving towards 3347. And if 3347 is taken, we can look forward to the next move towards 3366 and 3371 levels. These are going to remain the key levels. 3347 to 3371. This is going to offer a massive resistance here for gold on the upside, if at all gold decides to breach past 3325, 3332 zone. And thus this is on the buy side. Now I expect possibly a swing here, and thus you should also get the advantage from the downside move and where you should sell. Now I recommend a sell at 3302 levels. Expect 3295.96 as the first target zone, 3288.90 as the second, and then 3278.80 as a third. Below 3278.80, the possibility will be very, very strong that we will see it moving towards 3265 and 3250. Any drop below 3250 is a sign that now bears are taking over, and then again it will fall back within this correction cycle what we had seen. But looking at the move, it appears it is a breakout move and it might continue here on the upside. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver moved towards the next zone at 3320. And we know that 3320, 3330 is a critical zone for silver to break beyond, because once it breaches this, you can expect 3350 and 3370 levels. See, those who follow me and watch both the updates must have, you can say, all these levels I have been repeating several times, and see, again, these levels are playing out very, very well. Now if you look at the hourly charts, higher lows are seen. Thus it is important for silver to trade below 3280, and then we can expect the most critical support zone is going to be towards 3260, 3240, and then 3220. Till 3220 this is not bearish. Till 3220 it is not reversal. Below 3220 is where you can say now silver is correcting, else it is staying bullish. We can potentially see it higher, delivering higher highs. Moving averages trading bullish. Stochastic has dropped. See, the MACD is trying to cross over for a sell. It is not yet crossed over. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2-hour chart. Now see, on the 2-hour charts, you can see a reversal sign. With the reversal sign, we have seen one dip, first red candle. Where the current candle closes is going to be of importance to us. And in fact, if you see the higher price below 33, you can take a sell, but then 3280 is what it needs to break. 3280, very good support here. Below 3280 is where slight bearishness may prevail. And then what will happen? Then see, notice silver here like this. This is the third time it is trying to breach this zone, and it is possible that it could erase all the gains here and come downwards. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is trading with extreme divergence. Potentially we may see it converging and crossing over. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. The highs, the reversal sign, first red candle, and now the second one is going to be very, very important. If at all it closes lower and if it moves towards 3280, we can say this is the beginning of reversal. Though the moving averages have crossed over, but yes, it is still staying bearish here. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD is trading with extreme divergence, staying extremely, you can say it may try to converge a bit even if it not shows you a reversal. The RSI is at top here. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation here on the 4-hour charts. Preceding candle, a swing candle, current candle starting on a flat note, and that is why I say you can take a sell only if you see the higher price below 33. Then you can expect it to trade with little correction. But only bearishness is below 3280, and then too you can see the moving averages crossing over here after a while. It is a good bullish sign, but as long as 3330 is not taken, do not treat this as bullish. This is pretty clear. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI at top. Coming to daily. Now see, on the daily charts, one very important thing to note. I have shared this yesterday. I am sharing this since long. See, silver consolidated here, and if it breaches the zone today, it is going to give you massive move here. Again, I am highlighting this. So if you see it is staying above 3330, you can just stay bullish for 3350, 3370. And if 3370 is taken, remember, the longer the consolidation, the stronger the breakout move. But not as long as 3370 is not taken. You have to be careful, because 3370, what it may do, it can form a double top before reversing. Why it is important? Because see, after this dip, silver has retraced and it is still staying bearish here, and lower lows, lower highs, where the downside, the space is wide open here, and hence till 3370 we have to be careful with the buys. Stochastic rising, the MACD crossing over with the buys, the RSI comfortable. So looking at this, I will now recommend you to buy at 3320, expect 3350, 3370 as the two targets, and 3320 means the lower price has to be above 3320. And rather, those who want to trade safe, wait for 3330 levels to be taken. And then 3350, 3370 will arrive. If at all it breaches 3370, stay bullish for 3410 levels, and then 3450, $35 levels should be there. While on the downside, a selling entry at 32, see, you can sell here at 33 here. When you see the higher price below 33, you can take a sell, but I will say it is only going to give you 10 to 20 cents. 3290, 3280, very, very good support till 3280. Once it trades below 3280, you can expect 3260, the most strongest support. Any drop below 3260 is a sign of bearishness, where 3240, 3220 will be seen, and any drop below 3220 is a sign of correction, where the prices are going to crash strong. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Was that as well. Thank you.